Today I'm going to show you how to make mint chocolate chip cupcakes. For the cupcakes you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 3 eggs, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and 100 grams of chocolate chips. Firstly, in a bowl, to your butter add your sugar and cream until they're well combined. Then add your eggs and mix until well combined. Then add your flour and your cocoa powder and again mix really well until you have a nice batter. Then add your chocolate chips and mix until well distributed. Then to a pre-lined cupcake tin, you just want to add your cupcake mixture. And bake in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for about 16 to 20 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for your buttercream you will need 175 grams of icing sugar, 75 grams of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of peppermint extract and approximately 2 tablespoons of milk. To your icing sugar add your cocoa powder and mix until well combined. Then add your butter, which would need to be at room temperature, and using a fork you just want to press your butter into your icing sugar. If you have a mixer, by all means pop it in the mixer. I just like to show the way of doing things where you have no equipment. It will take a while and a bit of elbow grease, but you will get to the point where it's combined as much as it can be. Then add your peppermint extract and mix and it should start to come together as a creamy buttercream. Then add your milk a little bit at a time until you have the right consistency of buttercream. You won't need all of the milk, but like I say, add a little bit at a time and you will get a consistency of buttercream. Then I have added my buttercream to a piping bag, but you can just use a spoon, and then you just want to top each of your cupcakes. And there you have it. That's how you make mint chocolate chip cupcakes.